YouTube, we're back. This is the video, we're putting it on. Thank you guys for being patient with me. I'm just trying to give you guys good content. Anyway, 326 power. I love this. This was the last wheel I was literally waiting for. I still want to explain to you guys how you get wheels from online auctions and so on. So we're still gonna do that. But last shipment came. I just love the way they box these when there's a tire on it. When there's no tire, they don't give a damn about shipping that shit. They'll throw it in a box and just go. But look at this. Godly. The last piece to the puzzle looks freaking brand spanking new. 326. Listen, you guys. This is not a competition. If anything, I'm in a competition with myself. I want to be better than I was yesterday. I want to be better than I was last year. Last year to date, we ran VSKFs, worked VSKFs. Awesome wheel, awesome wheel. But personally, the 326 does it for me. Now, we're still working on fitment and everything. I already actually got 3 tires mounted. I'm running Atlas 21540s all around. Great tire. I'll live by a 21540 any freaking size wheel. Minus 11, don't do that. But we already got the rears on. I'm really not liking the fitment. Are you showing them? What the pointing?
I thought you said not.
I said work your way into it as I'm coming closer. I'm gonna have to cut some of that. But you guys, as you see, we already actually did we put the rears on. I'm not liking the fitment. This is straight to the hub. You know you got good wheels if you run it straight to the hub and the fitment's kind of nice. But we're gonna end up adding maybe a 25 mil in the rear, and I'm hoping to go with no spacer in the front. But we already got 3 out of 4 mounted, like I said, so we're gonna have to go see Tragic and get the last tire mounted. So we're making it happen. We're putting it all on. Days are passing by. I'm getting lazy. Here we are. You guys, let's do it. So let me explain what's really going on. We put the rears on. I gotta mess with the fitment. I don't like it. I'm running over 2 inches of spacers on the axles. My fender's kind of crunchy. We're getting new fenders. I'm actually gonna try to roll out the little bit of crunch on it from me airing out on it. I want to add new camber bolts just because I don't like these, and I didn't use grade 8, and they're probably starting to bend after a while, so we're gonna do that. Everything else looks kind of straight here. Bushings look freaking shot on this. Yeah, let's see. I do have one last wheel to mount. It has a 215/35 on it. Trash. I need to put the 215/40 I have on. I left work a little bit early to go to the lab. The lab was closed. So we're just gonna go see Michael at Tragic with bar spin and shit. Dude, I'm getting so impatient to get these wheels on. Like, knowing me, I'm still not gonna even get an alignment till you guys probably see this video. I'm trying to go outside, you guys. I haven't been outside in a while. Like, outside with the car actually looking half decent. No heat gun. This shit's already freaking donezo. So we're gonna add pressure to the creased area. Yeah. 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 A little wrinkled, but not creased. I'll take it. So you guys, I actually got new camber bolts right here. This is that $15, $10 camber video I was telling you guys about. Literally, I'll drop that right here. Camber your car with this type of setup. Right here. Just upgrading the bolts now. Safety first. About 3 years old, 2 years old Harbor Freight bolts. Brand new ones right here. They look to be about the same dimension. Ooh, actually the ones I got look a tad bit fatter. This is how I slotted mine basically, you guys. Got me up to like negative 14, 15. With my lowers, I know you 9th gen people always ask me. Lowers, extended tie rods. slotting at the top. I ran -20 back in the day. Wasn't cool. This is it, you guys. Everything should be Gucci. I'm stoked. So now to take off the double stack spacers. Fuck me. Forgot about 3 studs. We're running it. Sheesh. That's good right there, boys. That's it. Yeah. Add a little spacer in the back. Whew. This shit is good. First 9th gen with 326 KFs. Okay, so you guys listen to my problems right now. We're at like -16 in the rear. I really want to add a spacer to tighten up the fitment. I only have 25s and 35 mils and 2 inches at the house. I'm thinking I really need a 15 mil. Yes, Devin.
Why are you sweating?
Yes, Devin. YouTube, this nigga just be calling and bullshitting on my phone. I'm going to Winter Springs at 7 o'clock. I gotta get a tire mounted, and that's the only shop that's open. Oh, sorry. This 18 by 10.5, -15 with the 25 mil spacer equals 18 by 10.5, -40? Yeah, it's just too much. It's gonna come down right on the lip. I'm not gonna be able to ride low. I'm not doing this. So we're just gonna wait it out for a 15 mil spacer so I continuously ride low on this. But like, you guys, got. That thing slanted. I like that. So yeah, let's finish up the front, pull the spacer back off this. Let's do the other side. I still gotta go get this mounted. Ooh, got it! Good fitment, gang. What you know about that? So YouTube, here we are. This is the final setup. I'm gonna refresh the whole car. But God, these came out so good on the car. I really want to mess with the rear fitment, but I just did get an alignment. So I need to really add like a 5 or 10 mil spacer in the rear and it would come out perfect. But I'm so happy I was able to show you guys this. There's literally more to come, you guys. I'm outside now. I'm going to shows. I'm going to meet. My dog Ethan's here. Static. This is hot.